Faraday Future is holding an investor community and co-creation day on April 24th at its Los Angeles headquarters. The event aims to increase transparency by allowing stockholders, followers, and fans to experience FF's vision, value, and strategy firsthand. It will also feature the recruitment of FX developer co-creation officers, inviting partners to collaborate in shaping the development of FX product and technology. An important announcement will be made during the all-hands meeting. From 3:30 to 6:30 p.m., attendees can participate in a company presentation and Q&A session with the leadership team. The event will also include exclusive test ride opportunities and a private preview of the FX Mule prototypes. Light refreshments and networking with fellow investors and community members will be provided. Recently, Faraday Future participated in a business roundtable at the White House alongside other business leaders, including Haley Borden, special assistant to President Trump. The roundtable included discussions on global tariffs, U.S. manufacturing, and innovation. Faraday X CEO Max Ma contributed to key discussions and indicated FF looks forward to working closely with the White House for long-term prosperity of America's high-end manufacturing sector, particularly in the automotive industry. This comes after the launch of their Global Automotive Industry Bridge Strategy and Faraday X, aiming to bring world-class vehicle components to the U.S. for localized assembly, aligning with U.S. priorities and national interests. FF stated it's proud to have a strong manufacturing presence in the U.S., where they build all their vehicles, and nearly half of their suppliers are based in America. While the FX brand plans to initially source components internationally, they aim to shift towards U.S.-based suppliers over time. This initiative will encourage global automotive supply chain enterprises to establish operations in the U.S., contributing to the development of the domestic NEV ecosystem. The approach also supports advanced manufacturing in America, safeguards U.S. consumer data, strengthens competitiveness in the global auto industry, and helps restore the country's leadership position in the automotive sector. Despite recent tariff developments potentially affecting their strategy, FF sees this as a long-term opportunity and is actively engaging with the U.S. government on policy proposals regarding U.S.-China cooperation in the EV sector. Looking ahead, Faraday Future has announced an upcoming annual general meeting on May 28th, which includes proposals such as a 29% increase in total authorized shares and no reverse stock split proposal. This reflects the company's commitment to a prudent and low-percentage new share issuance strategy, while maintaining shareholder value and confidence. The meeting will also introduce 5 major initiatives aimed at empowering strategic execution and communication with shareholders, culminating in the launch of an organizational reform. This reiterates Faraday Future's determination to protect shareholders' interests as they prepare for the first FX vehicle to roll off the line by the end of this year. FF is also seeking approval for proposals supporting the company's strategic initiatives and long-term growth. They are urging all stockholders to vote for all proposals, which include the direct election proposal for 5 directors, approving a private placement issuance, and amending the company charter to increase the number of authorized shares of common and preferred stocks. The company proposes to change its name to Faraday Future AI Electric Vehicle Inc., reflecting an increased focus on artificial intelligence and intelligent mobility, vehicle systems, and user experiences. The new name aligns with the company's vision to lead in the field of intelligent electric vehicles and highlights their commitment to innovation in AI-driven solutions for transportation. Additionally, it matches the company's new ticker symbol, FFAI, reinforcing a unified brand identity. Another proposal suggests approving 1 or more adjournments of the annual meeting to permit further solicitation of proxies if insufficient votes are represented at the meeting to approve certain proposals. There are also other proposals for ensuring governance capability through experienced board members, empowering strategic growth and structural optimization by enabling additional share capacity for M&As, joint ventures, and future fundraising, and enhancing financial stability through the approval of share authorization and private placement proposals, which help maintain NASDAQ compliance and support the advancement of their bridge strategy. The company's FX strategy is experiencing significant progress thanks to shareholder support. The FX prototype has been approved for public road testing and will begin testing various prototypes in complex environments, including autonomous driving systems. The Super One, FX's first production model, is expected to debut in late June, only 9 months after the launch of the strategy. Strong inquiries from U.S. consumers, fleet operators, and car rental partners have exceeded expectations, with upcoming announcements of substantial orders and cooperation anticipated. Then, to defend stockholder value and confidence, the company has initiated 5 major strategies. One such strategy is the Capital Strategy Offensive, which means the company will not consider reverse stock split unless the stock price consistently fails to meet Nasdaq's compliance standards. The company plans to optimize its capital structure while strategically deploying equity and convertible debt offering proceeds to support business development targeting maximum value with measured dilution. They intend to initiate a new round of executive share purchases once legally allowed and conditions are met. Lastly, the company previously investigated potential illegal short selling and intends to launch another investigation, potentially taking legal action. Recent tariff pressures may have short-term effects on the company's FX strategy, but could potentially open up strategic opportunities in the mid to long term. The company is actively engaging with the U.S. government, submitting proposals regarding automotive policy and expressing expectations for the development of FF and the FX brand in the U.S. market. The FX CEO has attended crucial meetings with White House decision-makers as a representative of the China-U.S. automotive bridge, to help shape industry policies and foster cooperation between the two countries in sectors like electric vehicles. For more on Faraday Future and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.